Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Clarissa's Cuisine. Today I will be preparing Shinta's chutney. We also call challehannu chutney, Shinta in Konkani. It is a very good combination with paste or congee. Let's see the ingredients. Here I have taken 2 brined Madras cucumber, 2 brined wild jackfruit, 12 Shinta, 1 mango. Cut all the ingredients into smaller pieces. And for masala, half grated coconut, 2 teaspoons of mustard, 5 Byadgi Red Chillies, 1 onion. Let's start the preparation. Dry fry mustard and red chillies. Grind the masala ingredients: grated coconut, mustard, red chilies, onion with filtered water. Now paste is ready. Now place the chopped ingredients in a vessel. And mix the ground masala into the chopped ingredients. Brined ingredients can be stored for a long time, and small set of ingredients can be used to prepare this chutney when you run out of fresh vegetables. So, please try this simple recipe and share your reviews in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. See you in next video. Bye.